Today, I decided to put my air fryer to the ultimate test by trying out the most viral recipes from the internet. These are the recipes that everyone has been sharing on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and I couldn't resist trying them out myself. Do they really live up to the hype? Is the air fryer really the kitchen miracle that everyone says it is? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made each recipe, share all the tips, and tell you what worked, what didn't, and what I'd do differently next time. From breakfast ideas to snacks, dinners, and even a dessert, I've got you covered. So, grab your air fryer and get ready because we're about to dive into some seriously tasty recipes. If you're new to the channel, I'm your name, and here on my channel, we love testing out viral food trends and making sure they work in the real world, not just on social media. I'll take these trends and show you how to turn them into delicious meals that you can easily prepare at home. So, if you love practical cooking hacks, quick meals, and learning how to use your air fryer to its full potential, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Let's dive in. To kick things off, I'm going to try the super popular bread egg basket, which went absolutely viral on TikTok. If you've seen it, you know it's a simple yet genius breakfast idea that combines the best of both worlds, crispy bread and a perfectly cooked egg. The recipe couldn't be easier, and the results are incredibly satisfying. Here's what you need: a slice of bread, regular sandwich bread works fine, an egg, some cheese, grated cheddar, mozzarella, or even cream cheese, and your choice of herbs, salt, and pepper. I like to go with a little oregano or basil, but you can use whatever you like. Start by pressing the slice of bread into a silicone mold, or if you don't have a mold, you can use a small aluminum pan that fits in your air fryer. The goal is to create a little basket shape with the bread so it holds the egg. If you don't have a mold, you can press the bread into a cup or use the edge of a pan to create a bit of a wall around the bread. You'll want the bread to form a bowl-like shape to hold the egg without it spilling over. Once that's done, crack an egg into the center of the bread. Be careful not to break the yolk. Then, sprinkle your cheese over the egg and season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Personally, I think a little Parmesan on top adds an extra burst of flavor, so I sprinkle some on just before popping it into the air fryer. Place the bread basket with the egg in your air fryer and set it to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 8 minutes. The exact time can vary depending on your air fryer model, so be sure to check if the egg is cooked to your liking. I prefer mine with a slightly runny yolk, so 8 minutes is perfect. When it comes out, the bread is crispy, the cheese is melted, and the egg is just right. If you want to get fancy, you can even add a few slices of avocado or a drizzle of hot sauce for an extra punch of flavor. This breakfast is quick, healthy, and super satisfying, the perfect way to start your day. Next up, I tried a recipe that's perfect for a savory snack or even a side dish for dinner: crispy rustic potatoes with paprika and garlic. These potatoes are super popular in the air fryer community, and I can definitely see why. They come out crisp on the outside and tender on the inside, and the smoky paprika paired with the garlic gives them incredible flavor. Here's what you'll need: 3 medium potatoes, leave the skin on for extra crispiness, olive oil, sweet paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. You can also add some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme if you want to enhance the flavor even more. Start by washing your potatoes well and cutting them into wedges. There's no need to peel them, as the skin gives the potatoes a fantastic texture, but if you prefer them peeled, that's totally fine. Next, place the potato wedges in a large bowl, drizzle with olive oil. You don't need too much, just enough to lightly coat the potatoes, and sprinkle with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together until the potatoes are well coated. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add a sprinkle of cayenne pepper for a bit of heat or a touch of Parmesan cheese to add an extra layer of flavor. You can also throw in a few sprigs of fresh rosemary or thyme to infuse some herby goodness. Once your potatoes are seasoned, place them in the air fryer basket in a single layer, making sure they're not overcrowded. This will help them crisp up properly. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 100 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 20 minutes, tossing the potatoes halfway through the cooking time to ensure they cook evenly. Depending on your air fryer, the time might vary a bit, but 20 minutes should give you perfectly crispy, golden potatoes on the outside with a soft, fluffy interior. The best part, they're so much healthier than deep-fried potatoes, but they taste just as good. Now let's move on to a quick and tasty dinner option: the air fryer ham and cheese bread pastels. This recipe has become a total hit for those who want something fast and filling for dinner or as a snack. I love making these when I'm craving something savory and crispy, but don't have the time to make a full dinner. You'll need sandwich bread again. No crusts, ham, cheese, any cheese works, but I like mozzarella, an egg, and a little oregano for extra flavor. Start by removing the crusts from the bread slices. This helps them crisp up better in the air fryer, and then layer some ham and cheese in between 2 slices of bread. Press the edges with a fork to seal them and create the classic pastel shape. If you don't have a fork, you can use your fingers to pinch the edges together. Once you've made all your pastels, brush them lightly with a beaten egg to give them a golden, crispy finish. You can also sprinkle some oregano or even a bit of garlic powder on top for extra flavor. Place the pastels in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through to ensure they cook even. The result is a crispy, golden exterior with a gooey, melted cheese and ham filling that's absolutely delicious. It's a simple, satisfying meal that comes together in no time. And it's perfect for those days when you need something comforting but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. And now, let's talk dessert. I know you've probably seen the viral 2-ingredient chocolate cake that's taking the internet by storm. This cake is not only incredibly easy to make, but it's also a healthier alternative to traditional chocolate cakes. All you need is 1 ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or chocolate powder. That's it. No sugar, no flour, just 2 simple ingredients. Start by mashing the banana in a bowl until it's smooth. The riper the banana, the better. It will naturally sweeten the cake. Once the banana is mashed, add the cocoa powder and stir until it forms a thick batter. You can also add a bit of vanilla extract if you want a little extra flavor. Pour the batter into silicone molds or small aluminum pans that will fit into your air fryer. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 10 minutes. The cake will rise and form a slightly crispy outer layer while staying moist and fudgy inside. The result is a rich, chocolatey treat that tastes just like a regular chocolate cake, but without all the extra sugar and flour. If you want to take it up a notch, you can add some chocolate chips to the batter before cooking, or top the cake with a drizzle of melted dark chocolate for a decadent finish. This dessert is perfect for when you're craving something sweet but don't want to overindulge in heavy, sugary desserts. These recipes are all about making quick, delicious, and healthy meals using the air fryer. I love how versatile it is. You can make anything from savory snacks to hearty dinners and even desserts, all without the need for excess oil. If you don't have an air fryer yet, I highly recommend getting one. It's a game changer in the kitchen and will save you so much time and effort while still giving you amazing results. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Do you have any viral air fryer recipes that you think I should test out? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got plenty more viral recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your oil-free fried goodies.